So beautiful. Can we have you on stage, please? I can't stop them. So once if you come on stage, ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తారు. So put your hands together.
మన సామిని కూడా డాన్స్ కి వెళ్ళమంటబ్బా.
Welcome and all the best for Eagle.
Thank you.
Please, they have seen the trailer.
Hi.
So Kavya, ఇప్పుడే ట్రైలర్ లో మనం చూసాము. So now she'll talk. Please. They have seen the trailer.
Andariki namaskaram. Look what your energy is doing to me. I'm shaking. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, first of all, how did you all like the trailer? I'm so happy. Thank you everybody for joining us and celebrating the trailer release with us. I can't understand what you're saying. Are you all ready for the release on Jan 13? Can I hear an eagle? Okay, I'm glad. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for joining us. I'm very excited.
Kavya, they want to tell you something.
I can't understand.
No, they'll tell you in English only. Are మనకు వచ్చిన ఇంగ్లీష్ 4 లైన్లు చెప్పేద్దాం. Ready? So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. కదా? They're just praising you. You're looking beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you.
మరి
I'm
ఇంగ్లీష్
feeling
అంత
very
బయటగా
shy.
ఏంటి మైండ్ బ్లోయింగ్. ఓకే, పక్కన 2 కళ్ళు కూడా పెట్టుకొని చూసే 4 సార్లు సినిమా. ఓకేనా?